It is time. Come with me. You know what time it is, guys? It's time for the unboxing. Unboxing of this beautiful Stern Godzilla limited edition. In this video we're gonna unbox this. I have made unboxing video with the Pro model, so that's not interesting, but the fun part is we're gonna unbox this one and put it next to the Pro version and compare the LE and Pro. Yeah! Removing these plastic protectors from Stern, want to install these thick metal brackets that will have some more spacing, and they're just so well made. Fully recommended. Yeah. Alright guys, videos, pictures are one thing. Now on the pictures, this gray armor didn't look that good, but now after the unboxing, after watching it with my own eyes, the grayish metallic armor looks actually really nice. And the colors and everything, this artwork, everything is just super nice. Also the grayish here, it's beautiful, man. I like it. Wow. One feature of the limited edition is this, I don't know what it's called, metal foil thingy here. Looks nice, man. That mirror effect, the eyes never lies. Oh, it looks nice. Thank you, Stern, for the extra strips. Beautiful stuff. Where's the building? The building is gone. For me, the best thing compared to the Pro model is actually the diverting of the ball when shooting the building. That I mean, that's 1,000 times better for me than this bridge and everything else. Oh man, what's gonna happen with air balls here? Yeah. Beautiful stuff. Mechagodzilla. Hello. As usually, we don't have the thickest layer of clear coat from Stern, but it is what it is. We are going to install a playfield protector, of course, before the first ball gets installed. As you can see, have to take off a few components. Stern, this rubber has been half the size. This is not rubbery, this is plasticky. This is so skinny. I mean, when you flip with those powerful flippers and it hits over here, oh man, put in some more stuff, man. I know these games are not that expensive, and but it could be nice with some more quality products, man. Guys, I want to show you something. Oh man, I love it. Look at this. And the beautiful playfield projector is installed. Look at that glare it gives. So nice. Beautiful, guys. Look at the bridge. Only on RETROCENGO's channel you can see everything close up. Look at this. I mean, you can say whatever you want to say, but Stern games, they shoot amazing, and I love to play them. Absolutely. Wow. Looks nice. Time to assemble everything again. Look at the connector here, man, for the ball gate. The lights there. Beautiful stuff. Also, the magnet goes in and shoots this little ball up to this little switch up there. Nice. On the side of the playfield, this one looks packed compared to the Pro version because of, yeah, everything here is empty on the Pro version. Look at this, guys. Look at this little belt that drives everything. Nice. It's a big piece of toy here. Nice. Also, this one is also missing on the Pro model, so that's also an empty area. So yeah, nice. A bigger speaker. Also the arc blades on the sides here. Nice. Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. And this game, everybody loves this game. I haven't heard nothing negative about it, so, and I fully agree, it's an amazing pin. What? Oh, okay, nice. And she is ready. Look at this beauty. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. First of all, look at that die-cast Godzilla over there. Let's take a look at the Pro here. Flat piece of plastic. Let's look at the Megagodzilla here. Mechzilla. With the spinner. This one can turn. So these targets will occur, and this one will get hit. It has got this magnet, and over here at the Pro, you have got the targets down there, still got the spinner, and you have got this flat piece of plastic. And of course, the most important part, the building here is just amazing. I love the entrance and exit and stuff like that, man. Beautiful on this one. But when that is said, I just want to say I have enjoyed the Pro model for some time now, and I'm telling you, the Pro model is amazing gameplay for the money. All that hype that this title gets, I fully understand why, because it's an awesome machine, man. I mean, Keith Elwin, he's an amazing designer. So yeah, this is the Pro, this is the LE. I'm just gonna update it to 0.81, and then I'm gonna enjoy this. Wow.
Godzilla has been spotted again.
Shoot the lance, the lights down.
To the people of the Earth, Xiliens lay claim to Earth's resources.
Alright guys, I have been playing both versions, the Pro model and the limited edition. Now, I started out with the Pro model and I just felt like it was a perfect game, a lot of pinball for your money. It shoots really well, and it's just high-powered action from the get-go. So the Pro model was, I don't know, maybe 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10 for me, because I always knew I had to try the Premium Elite version. Now, today, I played the Elite version, and I've changed my mind. The Pro is just, I mean, you're missing so much on the Pro compared to the Elite version. Earlier I was thinking you got the same shots and stuff like that, but it feels like, first, that upper left flipper loop shot, it feels less clunkier on this one. I don't know why, it's just less clunky. That's the first thing. Second thing, that armor around the cabinet, it just makes everything more cohesive. It feels like it's a, I don't know, better built, stronger cabinet, better machine. I don't know. I like that Elite armor. So the next part, the bridge. The bridge was a great surprise for me. I just thought it was like you have a mode and you destroy the bridge. Let's just move the camera a bit here. I thought you just destroyed the bridge and that was it. That's not the case. You hit that magnet grab and the bridge will it will flip and tell you that it will soon collapse, and it will click up and down, and it works. It's well done, well programmed. It's running 0.81 right now. Love that bridge. That Godzilla. Yeah, I don't care about that toy. It's okay. The next thing, the building over there. I'm telling you, that's an amazing toy to have in a pinball machine. Love that building. Love that it moves in different levels, so you have different entrance and exit for the ball and stuff like that. The lock at the top, the shaker motor. The building collapses and the balls just falls down. Be careful, they don't go straight down the toilet. But wow, one of the best mechs that Stern has come up with for years, man. I love that building. It's great. But one more positive surprise down here. We have to compare it with the Pro here, like this. As you can see down here, we have got this hot dog here. Now it's white. Steve Ritchie, back from the 80s, he started making them. It's over here on the limited edition. The hot dog is missing over here. That reminds me of Roadshow from '94, Bella Williams. So you have got this Mechagodzilla back there that has got a magnet on his belly button, and you will shoot there. It will fall back and it will grab the ball, and here this spinner will turn, and you will have three targets that will occur, and there are some sounds. It reminds me of Roadshow, like the hurry up and come on, shoot those targets. It will lit up, it will flash over there. It just works. It's well programmed and really enjoyable. On the Pro, it's that this area. It's not something I was thinking about. We just got the spinner and that's it. But here is like another game mode, another game included. Works great. So it has got too much stuff, too much going on to buy. I mean, I just can't recommend the Pro version anymore. I love the Pro. Don't get me wrong, but after watching this, I know all the Elites are gone, but get the premium, and who cares? you don't get this artwork. They're both fine. I don't know. I like the pro artwork also. Yeah. But gameplay wise, guys, 100% go for the premium LE model, because it is just jam packed. This is what we have been asking for many years. Let's get some, you know, world under glass, and it just feels so nice with that building, with that bridge. I mean, that what's it called, spinner behind the flipper up there. Everything just works so nice, man. Also, at the left side, it showed some animation with Godzilla walk into power lines. I would love if Stern included some sort of power lines and the lines were broken. And yeah, these games we can mod them, I know, but I don't know. I was just watching those clips and wow, man, I just fell in love. I mean, for me, the best Stern machine was Deadpool, and this is faster than Deadpool. This has got so much more to go for. Again, early code, but it's incredible. I mean, other companies could learn from this. This is a really early code, and it's just wow. I mean, 10 out of 10, fully recommended by RETROCENGO. You're hitting a lot of metal. You can just hear the metal parts cling cling, and that will make microscopic scratches on your pinballs, and those microscopic scratches will destroy your playfield. So go ahead and put a protector on, especially on the limited editions, because they're limited. There are only 1,000 made, so take good care of them so the next generation can enjoy them. Okay, listen to me. Have a great day out there. Thank you for listening. Bye.